Well, it's looking more and more certain we're going to see a major winter storm across much of central and southern Wyoming. Kind of a shock to the system after all the nice wild weather we've been having over the past couple of weeks. Start by taking a look at watches, warnings, and advisories. Again, purple areas, winter weather advisories. There'll be some snow here, not a ton. Next up, winter storm warning. That's the main thing across many areas, Riverton as well as the Lander area, Buffalo, KC, Casper. I want you to especially notice here, orange. That's a blizzard warning. Most affected areas for this, basically east of Rock Springs along I-80, also 287 through Jeffrey City as well as South Pass if you're traveling. Travel could get very, very difficult there, especially say the pre-dawn hours through much of Thursday with some strong winds and also heavy snow rates. As far as the impact, again, a lot of calving going on right now with a lot of the ranchers, so make sure you take care of your newborn livestock. Wet, windy conditions, cold as well. Wednesday night through Friday morning, I'd say even Friday night, we could see some temperatures drop below zero in some areas, so watch out for that. As far as travel, snow and blowing snow, travel very difficult. Again, all these roads, I-80, I-25, US 2026 between Riverton and Casper, as well as South Pass, maybe even Togety Pass at times. Worst conditions expected very late tonight, pre-dawn to about Thursday afternoon. Things should gradually improve as we head toward later on Thursday night. As far as any kind of temperature, temperatures falling in the teens and 20s again. This is Wyoming, we're used to it, but it has been very mild lately, so it could be a little shock to the system. There will be some below zero wind chills, especially in the winter areas on Thursday afternoon. And Friday night, we could see some temperatures drop below zero if it clears off enough with that fresh snowpack. So coldest temperatures we've seen in a little while. And wind and visibility, I want to really emphasize this. Winds will increase Thursday and Thursday night, and we could see blizzard conditions, especially those areas we outlined before. Southwestern Dakota County through Sweetwater County as well as the Wind Rivers. Visibility reduced under a quarter of a mile. I could even see near zero visibility at times in snow and blowing snow. There probably will be some road closures at times, so make sure you check resources. We'll have that up in just a minute. As far as the winds we expect to get some gusts 40, maybe 50 miles per hour. Anywhere you see these greenish or kind of yellow shades, basically, Casper, Rock Springs. Also through here there could be some strong winds with the north flow coming through the Bighorn Basin, level down through Thermopolis. Not a ton of snow here, but if you do get some snow and a lot of wind blowing around, it could be sharply reduced visibility as well. Everyone's wondering, how much snow am I going to get? This is what we expect right now. Highest amounts, again, Dakota County, Casper, probably a foot to about 18 inches more as you get toward the foothills of Casper Mountain, up to 2 feet on Casper Mountain. A little bit less as you head west around Lander. We're looking probably around a foot, about 6 to 12 inches around the Riverton area. And anywhere we have warnings, basically Buffalo, about 6 to 8 inches, same around KC. And also down here across Sweetwater County, the most toward Wamsutter, less as you head further west out toward Rock Springs and Evanston. Now, least amounts probably up here across the Dubois area, as well as the Bighorn Basin, especially the East Bighorn Basin, but the northeast flow, you get downsloping off these mountains. So places like Lovell, Grable, probably not going to see a ton there, but again, you get some wind and just a little bit of snow could make travel difficult at times. And some resources I want to bring up. As far as weather, again, weather.gov/RIW, that's for our area. Cheyenne has one as well if you're heading further east. Just about anywhere in the country, weather.gov will work. And for road information and closures, again, these are the best places to go. Call us for weather, call these people for road conditions. We don't know anything that they don't know. WyoRoad.info if you're on the web, if you want to use your phone. 511, that's in Wyoming. If you're out of Wyoming, coming from Colorado, Nebraska, Utah, 1-888-WYO-ROAD. And as far as webcams around the area, you got this web address right here. If you don't want to type this in, just go to our homepage, go to our local programs, go to our webcams by route, and they'll all be right there in a nice, neat package for you. Be safe, everyone.